Hi, dear friends. I am Dr. Manoj Mathur, a veterinarian and a wildlifer. My passion is to explore the life of beautiful animals and birds. The role of animals in our survival is very critical. We must explore how they can be protected from extinction. Today, let's enter the world of Toco. Toucans are the group of beautiful birds live in the tropical rainforest of eastern, central, and South America. They are close relatives of barbets and woodpeckers. They are well known for their large and beautiful colorful bills or beaks. A toucan's beak is hollow as compared to the size of their bodies. Toucans are amongst birds having largest bills. Their appearance is so beautiful and special that they are very special in the world of animals. The toucans plays an important and very special role in seed dispersal. They help to restore the critical and fragile ecosystem of the tropical rainforests. There are about 40 different kinds of species of toucan family. Toucans, toucanets and aracaris. Toucan birds are very poor flyers. Comparing to their body, their wings are very small. They are very social, that 5 or 6 toucans can huddle together in one hollow of a tree. Sounds and calls of these birds are very specific. With a husky call, they communicate very loudly. Their population is decreasing very fast, so it is alarming to save them. Largest and well known in toucan family is tocotoucan. It is also called the giant toucan or the common toucan. It is probably the best known species in the toucan family. The tocotoucan is a large and impressive toucan. This species is not only the largest toucan but the largest representative of the order Pisciformes. Tocotoucans are found in semi-open habitats throughout a large part of Central and Eastern South America. They don't migrate, but local movements may occur. The tocotoucan occurs in Bolivia, Peru, Argentina, Paraguay, Brazil, and Pantanal. Tocotoucans are so beautiful and having largest bill in the bird family, so they are kept in the zoos or as pets, where they are provided with high fruit diet and is sensitive to hemochromatosis, iron overload, or iron storage disease. Tocotoucans are non-forest birds. They can be found in a wide range of semi-open habitats such as open woodlands, savanna, and other open habitats with scattered trees, cerrado, plantations, forest edge, and even wooded gardens, avoiding humid forests. They are also seen in the Pantanal, which is well known as the world's largest tropical wetland area and the world's largest flooded grasslands. Its scientific name is Rhamphastos toco. The Greek word Rhamphastos means curved beak, so it is named. The most noticeable feature is its huge orange bill with a black tip and base, which is yellow-orange tending to deeper reddish-orange on its lower sections and culmen. The culmen is the dorsal ridge of the upper mandible. The bill looks huge and very heavy, but it is actually very light. The bill, relative to the bird size, is amongst the largest of any animal. Functions of the bill includes aid in peeling fruits, acts as visual warning, intimidating other birds when robbing their nests, and defense to territory. Their amazing bill measures from 16 to 23 centimeters in length, which accounts between 30 to 50% of its entire body surface area. Research has shown that bill is providing a large surface area for heat exchange from the body. The bill has the ability to modify blood flow and so regulate important biomechanism of the heat distribution in the body, allowing for the use of the bill as a thermal radiator. The bill normally is responsible for 30 to 60% of the heat loss. The practice of tocotoucan of placing their bills under their wings may serve to insulate the bill and reduce the heat loss during sleep from the body. Toucan's bill has a network of superficial blood vessels supporting the thin horny sheath on the bill made up of a type of a honeycomb of fibrous protein keratin called the rhamphotheca. The bill have the serrations like a knife. It is not strong or heavy. The tongue is nearly as long as the bill and very flat. Feather-like tongue helps to swallow by pushing food down to its throat. The tocotoucan has conspicuously contrasting plumage. The body is mostly black with a white throat and rump and a red vent. What appears to be a blue iris is actually thin blue skin around the eye. This blue skin is surrounded by another ring of bare orange skin. Juveniles are duller in color and shorter bill than adults. Its voice consists of a deep, coarse croaking, often repeatedly every few seconds. It also has a rattling call and will bill clack. Their chatter and frog-like croaking calls can be heard from a distance of almost half a mile. Their noisy vocalization seems to subdue the very purpose of camouflage. Toucan birds are very poor flyers. Comparing to their body sizes and weight, their wings are very small and it flies with the noisy wing beats. They are diurnal. Toucans are active during the daytime with a period of sleeping or other inactivity at night. They are omnivore and they have the ability to survive on the vegetarian and non-vegetarian diet. Obtaining energy and nutrients from plant and animal matter, tocotoucans are omnivores, frugivore, herbivore. They feed mainly on fruits but will also eat berries, nuts, insects, frogs, even small reptiles and small birds, their eggs and nestings. They have arboreal life in trees. In habitats in which trees are present, these birds have evolved to move in them. Tocotoucan chicks are altricial. Their youngs are comparatively immobile and depends on their parents. They lack feathers, are not able to obtain food on their own and must be cared by adults. Closed eyes are common and require care for a length of time. They are zoochory that can disperse plant seeds in several ways. Toucans are the most important seed dispersers in their rainforest ecosystem. They are very social birds. They interact highly with other birds of their own species. The basis of collective animal behavior includes interaction, enhanced foraging, and increased locomotion efficiency, and above all, the safety from predators. Toucans are not migrant. They do not make seasonal movements and stay in their native home ranges all the year round, and so called not migrant or residents. Nesting is seasonal, but timing differs between regions. The nest is typically placed high in a tree and consists of a cavity, at least part of which is excavated by the parent birds themselves. It also has been recorded nesting in holes in earth banks and terrestrial termite nests. The tocotoucans have lifespan of 10 years to more than 20 years. The top speed while flight is 64 kilometers per hour. Their weight is 500 to 876 grams. Males are heavier, averaging 723 grams, while the females are smaller and lighter, which averages 576 grams. But the plumage is similar in both sexes. Other than the size differences, there are no external differences between the sexes. Their body length is 55 to 65 centimeter. Their wingspan is 80 to 100 centimeter, and the tail length is 14 to 18 centimeter. They attain the sexual maturity at the age of 3 to 4 years. Their reproductive cycle is annual and breeding season occurs in spring and timing differs between regions. The toucans follow a monogamous relationship in which the male and females have only one partner. Female toucans usually lay 2 to 4 eggs in a few days after mating. The eggs are incubated by both sexes and chicks hatch after 16 to 20 days. These birds are very protective of themselves and their chicks. Independent age of chicks is 43 to 52 days. Dear friends, there are countless animal species on this earth like toucans. If we explore their lives, we can understand the nature in a better way. Please subscribe and comment. Till then, goodbye and namaste.